Look, the only thing I'm worried about as a business owner right now in this phase of my business career are two things: sales and leadership. They're the only two things that I'm concerned about, okay? There's other things I may look at in my business, of course, data, numbers, finances, but the things that I think about fanatically, just crazy obsessed about, sales and leadership. And most of leadership is really becoming training. It's leading through training, example, words, building people up, calling people out on their shit, right? Sometimes that's what your people need. Sometimes you just need to hold them accountable and call them out. Praise in public, criticize in private, okay? But sometimes you can have a big team meeting and you can call out the group, right? You can call out the group's inability to be accountable to themselves, right? Maybe not ostracize one person. But the only things I'm concerned about in this phase of my career, sales and leadership. Sales and leadership. It's all I think about right now. And I believe those are the two things that are going to grow us to 10 million, 100 million plus companies.